join. For example, you have a data, you have customer number, material, month, sales, and uh, DIS. I forgot what I wrote about DIS. And from another info provider, you have material and color. For example, this is a master data and this is a transaction data, and this is a key figure. These two are key figures. And you have material, you have joined the material to material, and here you will only get the um, I mean all the relevant fields. So here you have ABC and you have ABC. You got this, and this is for the this is a characteristic, right? So it will be a separate record for month 01. So here you have ABC again for the month 02 February, and you have ABC here, so it will be another record will be written here. So and then you won't have any other relevant fields. Here you have DEF, which is not available in the other info provider, so it will not be selected for the output. And here you have GHI, which is there available in the other info provider. So it is as matching fields or matching records are there. So all the matching records will be shown, and all the other records will be eliminated. So that is inner join functionality. And in the left outer join, if you have the table on the left side has the domination. Like everything from the left side will be red, and all the records from the right side operand, right side table will be written to the according to the left side values. Like you have all the records on the left side info provider are red here, like A B C D E F G H I, everything, whatever records are there, they are just red, and the relevant records are red from the right side, right operand. So this is the left outer join. Here in this left outer join, if you have if you don't have a value from the right operand, then it will show space for the characteristic, and it will show zero for the key figure. Here, just like we were discussing, for example, you have a info provider one. Say you have cube, and in this you have customer ID, and you have like invoice, invoice, and you have material number, you have mm, value, and some cost, and mm, yeah, that's enough. So you have three characteristics and two key figures here in the cube, and you have info object here, and in info object you have customer ID, and you have something. So you have cost, and in info set is a relational join. It is a PL SQL statement, and the join info set is a join on two database tables. So here you have two options in info sets. So there are left outer join and the inner join. In inner join, basically it will read everything from the relevant fields. For example, you have 1000 here, and you have 2000, and when you are joining the customer ID to customer ID, If, for example, it has 1000 and it is not providing 2000, so it will only read 1000. And in the info set, you have customer ID, you have invoice number, you have, you have and cost. So what it will do, it will only read 1000 and you will have phone number, something. Say you have 10 cost and say before that we have material number as well. We have 001. So you, for example, you can take material number here. Value. Mm, let's give the value and cost. So here you don't have invoice number coming from the cube, so it will be empty. It will be just space, and then in material number you have 001, and for the value you don't have the value, so it will be 0 and the cost will be. So this is how the output will be. This is how the data in the info set will be. I guess I hope you understood. In multi-provider you have hash and for the characteristics and 0 for the key figures. In info sets you have empty for the characteristics and 0 for the key figures. So there is the difference. There is the output of the data. That's how you will see the output, and this is how it works. And it is further, and this one is for the inner join. And for the left outer join, if this has to be a left outer join, then I will show the info set for the left outer join. This output is for inner join, and we'll see for left outer join. Here in left outer join, you have same characteristic selection is the same. We have selected this for the value, cost. So in this characteristic, the data from the cube will be read. Everything will be read. So say you have 2000, you have 005 for 2000, and you have material number 0002, and there is a value 50, and there is a value 0. Nothing is there. So for this data, you will have 1000, and you will have 2000, and everything from the left operand will be written. So you don't have value for this, right? You have 0001. So here it will be empty, and it will be 0 here, and you have 10, you have 0005, and you have 0002, you have 50 here, and it is empty here. So everything from left side is red, and according to the left side, the right side is red. It doesn't show, it doesn't care about the 3000 because it has, it has to do the left operand because it is left outer join. The preference is given to the left operand, and then according to the left side records, it will look for the data in the right operand. So that is the left outer join. So here, how does it work? I will show you the adapt for this. So in inner join, you have two database tables called SPFLI. You have select statement and you have char name. ID. So here you can see the select statement will be like this for the two tables. These two are database tables, SPFLI and SCAR, and we want to join these two tables just like this inner join. We want to use the inner join because it is the default. You don't have to mention that it is the inner. You have to mention this keyword. It is a default join. You just mention the join for this, and here for the select statement, this is the select statement that works. It is similar to the what we do here. So instead of this, we can use inner join in InfoSec, but instead of writing this code. So this is not the code. We have to, if you want to write a code, there will be a full program. This is just a select statement. You will write, declare the structure, and then you have to, there will be a declaration part, there will be a selection statement, and then there will be a reach statement, etc. So this is the middle part. This is what will happen. You have to declare iTab, which is a internal table, and then here you have a select statement. So here you have select statement, right? You have selecting the char ID, CAN name, carrier ID, carrier name, connection ID, city from, city to for the airlines into table iTab. This is the internal table. We have declared it before from SPFLI join SCAR. So by using this join condition, we are joining these two tables and we are joining these two tables on the condition on condition where SPSOL char ID is equal to SCAR char ID. Here, when carrier ID is equal, then only we are taking all these characteristics, or else we are not taking it. Say I will separate these characteristics like select char ID, char name, con ID, city from, city to. So what we are giving the command select this field, this field, this field, this field, and this field into table iTab, which we have declared as the internal table. From we are getting the data from SPFLI and SCAR. So we cannot get the data from two of them. So we need to write the join. So this is the join condition: SPFLI join SCAR on SPFLI char ID equal to SCAR char ID. This is the condition we are giving. when this table's carrier ID